Hi everyone, it's Ed at RU Cars. Welcome back, Happy New Year, first video of 2024. Start with this 2013 Audi TTS. It's a 62 registered model. It's a black edition, it's done 54,000 miles, 6-speed manual, full service history, cam belt done in 2021, 37,000 miles. It's got the sound pack, tech pack, comfort pack, all the packs. So cruise control, parking sensors, sat nav, Bose. As I mentioned, it's the black pack, so you've got the black grills, titanium grey double spoke alloys, absolutely mint, really nice condition. Look at the reflection, look at my socks. I had to take my shoes off because they squeak on this floor. Really nice car. Very clean. Oh. Just showing the boot. All clean and tidy. Split fold rear seats, and you've got your load cover present there. Inside, this one's got the black napper with the contrasting white stitching. All in very good condition. Heated seats as well. Got the flat bottom steering wheel. And whether or not you're seeing it just there, but the TTS logo embossed into the seats. Rear seats, really good. You got your Bose audio, your leather door armrests, electric windows, electric mirrors, etc. This one does have auto lights and wipers as well. That's part of the comfort pack, which also includes cruise control, your heated seats, navigation plus, got the mag ride, so your suspension settings, spoiler button. That's about it. I'll just crack her up so you can see the mileage, see there's no warning lights. Oh, I have to press the clutch on this one. There you go, it does help if you press the clutch. It's actually only done 53,000 miles. I earlier said it had done 54, but it's done 53,344. No warning lights, as you see there. Got your working navigation. There you go. Got your radio, CD, etc. iPod input in the glove box. And that's about it. Very nice example. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Thanks for watching.